Hello Rajni, could you help me for improving English? Actually, I want to improve my communication skill, but I don't know how to start speaking English. Could you some tips for improving English? Yes, of course. Tell you actually, I have some tips for improving English. When you are alone at your home, so that time you have the practice because without practice you can't speak English. Practice is very necessary. Okay, in the beginning you should have the listen. You should listen. Okay, because listening power is very important because when you start listening every person who speak English well, so that time you should observe every person who speak English well. Okay, why observing you can speak English better. Okay, actually I think there are so many video in the YouTube you watch. Okay, you watch and you after that you can start speaking English. Okay, actually listening power is very important. Okay, so please you should start. You should start listening power. Okay, actually I don't have any partner, so without partner how could learn speaking English? Actually I don't have any partner and any person, so please could you help me for improving English and could you tell me with how to improve my communication skill without partner? Okay, okay, I want tell you. Actually, when you are alone at your home, so that time you create any fake story. Okay, and after that speak with yourself. Actually, this way is very good for improving English. Even I am using this way, so that's why I am telling to you. Okay, actually when you are alone at your home, so that time you can create any fake story, whatever any words, any sentence comes in your mind, and then you can speak with yourself. Actually I am not telling to you you should speak in front of people. I am not telling to you. Okay, actually you can speak in front of mirror. Okay, actually I know because we are not comfortable while speaking in front of people. I know, so you can start with yourself. You can create any fake story and then you can start speak with yourself. Okay, okay, actually when we try to speak English in front of other people, so that time I am afraid of making the mistake. Okay, so please tell me how to improve our confidence, okay, while speaking English, so that times I get stuck. So please tell me. Okay, okay. Actually, when you try to speak English in front of other people, so that times I think it's common thing. Okay, mistake is not big deal. Even a native speaker make the mistake. Okay, so please don't afraid about making the mistake. Only try to speak English. Okay, actually if you don't want to speak in front of other people, you can try speak your family member, your best friend. I think that people is very comfortable while speaking English because that person very close, so that's why I am telling to you. And because like to tell you, actually uh, mistake is not big deal. Okay, so please try to speak English without making the mistake, because this times I am making the mistake because I am not able to speak English in front of other people. I think this is your excuse who are making every day. Okay, Uh, if you want to improve your communication skill, you should have the practice. You should speak with other people's. Okay, so please don't care about anything. Only try to speak English. Okay. Okay, Rajni, thank you for guiding me, and definitely I will have the practice and I will do everything who tell me. Okay, so I think I think I want to improve my communication skill, but I don't have any more much confidence. But I am trying to improve my communication skill, and I am trying to speak with myself. And I will try to make the fake story, and then I will speak with myself. Okay, for the guiding me, and in the end, I am going to tell you, actually, if you want to improve your communication skill, you should apply these things. Okay, so this thing is very important for improving English, so you should apply these things. Okay, so if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share and comment my video. So thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.